And this time we're gonna unbox this stuff. This is Hello Kitty. Open it. Okay, just open it.
Mali.
You open it downward, open it upwards. It's not strong. Oh, that's heavy. Banana. Oh no. Oh, the car. Please got the car. What? The car. Please. Baling. Excuse me. What color is this? Blue. Spelling?
Meron sila activities na ginagawa. Apat lang kasi sila may gusto. Kasi nilalagay sa bag.
It includes a sign for the outline. Then, I don't know what this is called. And my cousin doesn't know what it's called. I don't know that too. What is this? What? No! Hey, it's time to play. This one has an airplane. Wait, this side has an airplane. What is this? It's a parking. Oh no! Wait. Where do you want to put the trees? Over here. Guy here. They are going to SM.
Ayaw mo, magana.
Parking. Plop. Wait, this thing. The trees. There we go. No.
Pagpunta namin dito.
Oh, bode ako.
Diba dati pag anong mga camera nagwawala ng mga.
Hey guys, this is the end. This is the end of the video. We are on and we're going to play now real
Kaya may papalik na naman siya. Nice. Sabi ka, may wala eh. Wala na. May balik. Sabi na sa